This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Torbay. Beautifully maintained in a convenient location close to shopping, restaurants and college. This property is move-in ready. Roof replaced 5 years ago, AC system is only 3 months old, vinyl fence installed 2 years ago, water heater only 1 year old, all gutters replaced 7 months ago. Exterior painted 1 year ago and interior painted 4 months ago. New ceiling fan installed in the guest bedroom. Double vanity in primary bathroom ensuite, and owner bought 2 new vanities with faucets to be installed by the new owner if they would like. A really nice screened patio to enjoy the outdoors year-round, as well as concrete slab patio. A perfect place to be your new home while enjoying gatherings of family and friends. For more information, review the details below.